Hey guys! Today I am going to introduce a new Aquaguard Regal Water Purifier. We all know Aquaguard is the best company in the water purifier industry. Aquaguard made a numbers of machine for their purifier customer. Today I am introducing Aquaguard Regal, where you get 6 liters storage tank and 15 liters per hour flow rate. If you have 5 to 7 members in your family, then this is the best model for you. It is unique and has the best modern design. You can hang it on the wall or keep it on the counter. Ultraviolet rays deactivate bacteria, virus while water passes through the UV chamber. Reverse osmosis will filter your water and maintain your TDS. If you have over 350 water TDS, you can buy it. This is the best color that always looks the same year after year. If you are looking to change your water purifier, then this is the better product for your family. Aquaguard Regal price is very cheap according to their features and performance. So what are you waiting for? Go to the description link and visit for more details. Thanks for visiting our channel.